स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
Hello children, today we are going to learn a simple warm-up exercise to develop the hold on your voice and gripping Shruti well. The warm-up exercise is nothing but the swaras from Chandavarsi. Shall we start? Sa, sa. So you have to emphasize on the second swara. Sa, sa, ri, ri, ga, ga, ma, ma, pa, pa, da, da, ni, ni, sa, 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 ni, ni, da, da, pa, pa, ma, ma, ga, ga, ri, ri, sa, sa. Now increase the speed. Sa, sa, ri, ri, ga, ga, ma, ma, pa, pa, da, da, ni, ni, sa, 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 ni, ni, da, da, pa, pa, ma, ma, ga, ga, ri, ri, sa, sa. Sa, sa, ri, ri, ga, ga, ma, ma, pa, pa, da, da, ni, ni, sa, 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 ni, ni, da, da, pa, pa, ma, ma, ga, ga, ri, ri, sa, 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 ri, ri, ga, ga, ma, ma, pa, pa, da, da, ni, ni, sa, 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 ni, ni, da, da, pa, pa, ma, ma, ga, ga, ri, ri, sa, sa. This warm-up exercise is basically to develop a hold on your voice and gripping your Shruti well and toning of your voice. Hope you like the warm-up. Please practice this warm-up at home on a daily basis to develop and improve your voice tone. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you in the next class. Hello children. Today we are going to learn third Geetam, Kere Neeranu, Ragam Malahari, Talam Tisra Jati Triputatalam. So the notation for Triputatalam is Lagu, Dhrutam and Dhrutam. Lagu with 3 notes. Jati is Tisram, so 3 notes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is the Talam, Tisra Jati, Triputatalam. So today we are going to see Kere Neeranu Swara. We'll see the meaning of the Geetam. The meaning of the Geetam is very profound. It is see those who got the blessings of God by offering the lake water to the lake itself. Likewise, offer the wealth you got by the grace of God to the God Himself. This is the meaning of the Geetam. Now we'll go to the swaras of the Geetam. Da sa sa da pa ma pa da da pa ma ma pa da da sa da pa ma pa da da pa ma ga ri sa sa ri ri sa ri sa ri da da pa ma ga So these are the swaras, the Geetam, Kere Neeranum. In the next class, we will see the Sahitya. Please practice the swaras so that it will be easy for you to follow the Sahitya. Okay? Bye-bye. See you in the next class. So week 3. Today we are going to learn the Sahitya, first half of Kere Neeranu, Geetam. We have already seen the swaras. Now we are going to sing the Sahitya, which corresponds to the swara. Kereya Neeranu Kere ke Jalli Varava Pate Tava Ramti Kaniro Hariya Karunaro Ratapagava Harisa Matpana Madi Vadukiro Hariya Karunato Latabhagyava. So this is the first half of Kere Neeranu. Please practice the Sahitya at home. We'll see the second half in the next class. Bye. Hello children. Today we are going to see the second half of Kere Neeranu Geetam. Already we have seen the first half of Kere Neeranu in the previous class. Today we will continue with the Geetam. Shri Purandara Vitala Raya Akada Padedava Ramti Kaniro Hariya Karunato Rata Bhagyava Hari Samat Panamadi Padukiro Hariya Karunato Rata Bhagyava. That ends the Geetam Kere Neeranu. Please practice the Geetam. It is a very nice, melodious sounding Geetam in Malahari Raga. Please practice this at home. See you in the next class. Bye bye.